How to efficiently remind clients that they need to sign proposals. Ensure timely client sign-offs with customizable automatic reminders for proposals. Reminders can be enabled when you're sending proposals manually or even after you have sent them already. If you are sending a new proposal, you can customize two fields. The first one determines after which time a reminder will be sent. The second one sets how many times this will happen at most. If the proposal has already been sent, you can go to a client's Proposals and Engagements Letter tab and edit a pending proposal that has been sent and set toggle on the reminders. Keep in mind that this cannot be done for fully signed proposals. Reminders will stop under the following conditions: when the client has not signed the proposal and the predetermined number of reminders have already been sent, when all required signatories have completed the signing of the proposal, or when the job associated with the proposal is archived. If you need to instantly send out a reminder to a client, you can do so by clicking on the three dots on the right of a proposal and selecting the Resend option.